Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm Harshadi. I'm the founder of Adventure Media. Today I've bought something for you guys built in an n8n which can actually help your businesses, which if you're running a restaurant in New York or in Florida right now, this can actually automate everything, getting orders from your customers, getting added them into your Google Sheet, and then you can definitely cook that food, delicious food for them, and you can just deliver it to their doorstep or you can deliver it to the table. Because you see, there's an additional revenue cost which has been adding on to the people in the restaurants are like they need to make sure that they are getting orders from as many customers as they can. But they don't want to give additional charges to Uber Eats. They don't want to pay any third party Apple sites or any kind of third party websites where they can collect food from there. So this is a personal system for your own specific restaurant which can actually generate you money and in real time. Okay, just I'll just check if I am connected. Yeah, I'm connected very well in my microphone. So let's get started with this, guys. This is an automation for your specifically on your WhatsApp. If any customer comes in to give an order, or if they are sitting at their home and they want to give your order to your restaurant, they don't want to open any kind of app right now. So they already have WhatsApp installed in their phone, I hope so. So you can just put a QR scanner of your own WhatsApp, or you can just put a scanner over there which they can scan and they can order. Every automation starts on a WhatsApp trigger and it ends on a WhatsApp trigger itself. Between this there is all different nodes that I'm going to explain you right now. Okay, the first node is the WhatsApp. I'll open this up. You just need to add your credentials over here. You just need to add credentials, and then you need to make sure the trigger is message. You have other different options as well. You have account updates and other things, but we just make sure we don't actually need any kind of different approach over here. So it's only message. Okay, second, once we have done with that, if let's take an example, if a customer is trying to give an order from a voice message, he's not typing it on his phone. He's just picking up the phone like this and is like, "Hello, John's restaurant. I want to order a sandwich with a banana milkshake with that." So if he's giving a voice message on a voice note on WhatsApp, then this is a if node where I'll open this up for you. If a message has been received in a voice and then it is equal to audio that I've kept over here, which is going to be sent on WhatsApp. And then we need to get the audio into a binary file. I have written it over here as well. Get audio binary. The method is get. You need to put this URL over here, and the audio that you are getting from the previous node, you just need to drag and drop over here. Okay, this over this. Okay, just here. After this double slash, you have to just drag and drop. Authentication is none. The header is defined below. You just need to put the name as authorization, and then you need to put bearer space your API key. Just make sure there is bearer and then there's a space between there. Okay, cool. And rest all remains the same. Response is file and output is data. Once you're done with that, once we get the audio, we need to extract the URL from that audio. Okay, once we're extracting from JSON, file type is data and the destination output is also data. Just make sure you get those data correctly, and once you're able to get that, you need to download the audio that you're getting from WhatsApp. So if you can't download it, the AI cannot transcribe and read it. Okay, so method is get. The URL that you're going to put over here is from the previous node that you get from here. Okay, and then you need to put your fi- file type below. It is authorization and is bearer space your API key. Okay, then once we go ahead, there is an OpenAI node that I've added over here. You need to add your OpenAI credentials, put your API key, and then you make sure the resource is audio. It can be image, text, or whatever it is, but we got a message from audio from the customer that he's trying to order a sandwich and a banana milkshake. So we need to make sure we convert that audio, download it, and then OpenAI can easily transcribe that audio so that you are sitting inside the restaurant and you can easily understand that what exactly the order is. So the output is data, and it is minimum limit is 25 MB, guys. You just make sure. Then we have a AI agent over here, which all the work has been done. If I open this AI agent, yeah. We have to add tools over here, and then we need to define below. This is JSON. This is a prompt that I've given over here. You are a restaurant agent and you handle following tasks. You send out the menu, you to the contact person using the menu tool, check availability from Google Calendar, and then make reservation from Calendar Create tool. And all these tools which I'm telling you right now are been given over here. You can see menu tool, calendar get tool, create calendar event, and a order Google sheet. When you get a lot of orders from your WhatsApp, you need to make sure all those data has been clearly connected and been kept somewhere safe. So we have a Google sheet over here. What exactly this Google sheet does is it's gonna get the name, contact number, delivery address, and what kind of food they have ordered. So all this information are being stored inside your Google Sheet because you have the name of the customer, you have the contact number, you have the address, and you have what food they have ordered as well. So you need to make sure that you have all these details saved inside a Google Sheet forever, and you are saving all the cost that has been getting on your receipts, your printing, and all those things. So all the data has been shared and saved on Google Sheet. And this is a create calendar node, and this is an OpenAI node where you need to connect your API key. That's it. And next, which is important, you need to put a window buffer memory. Let's take an example. The customer is very much excited and he is satisfied with the service that you have given him by delivering the food or the sandwich that you have delivered. He would be coming back on the WhatsApp. He's going to give you a text message, and you need to make sure the order is fulfilled again. So we need to make sure the AI remembers that, yeah, this is the same guy who ordered sandwich and a banana milkshake last time, and he has came back to the restaurant. So here is a window buffer memory where AI understands that the last 10 conversations that he has had with the customer. So every time when AI and the customer speaks between each other, the AI remembers that this is a previous customer. And if someone new is trying to message on that number with the AI will completely understand that this is a new customer. So every time when a new customer comes in, it's going to ask for the phone number, email, their contact number, and the delivery address. But if it is an existing customer, it will never ask for those things because all those data has been already stored inside the Google Sheet. So next is the menu tool. You need to connect your Google Docs where inside all your menus been kept. You just need to screenshot your menu. Okay, click a photo of it from your iPhone and then upload it to a Google Doc. Okay, and once you upload it to Google Doc, save it, and you need to add your credentials, the name and the different types of things that you need to add. This is a description which has been given over here, guys. And then just simplify, you need to add your Google Docs last URL. This is I'll expand this. Wait a minute. Just make sure this is your whole URL, and this is where you put your Google Docs digits. Okay, just make sure you put your Google Docs URL over here. That's it. It's very much simple. Google Docs is done. Your menu has been sent on AI. And then if someone wants to book a reservation, let's take an example, someone wants to book a reservation at a restaurant, then this is the get calendar link where the AI can check where every time where a new person is trying to book. This is a calendar get tool for you to check